Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you have just received your Frontier Wi-Fi router and you are trying to set it up for the first time, it can feel confusing because there are multiple cables, lights and setup steps involved. Many people plug everything in but still do not get internet, which usually happens because one small step is missed during setup. A Wi-Fi router needs proper connection, correct power supply and activation before it starts working. During setup, the router may take some time to connect to the network and show stable lights. It is very important to follow the correct order so the connection is established without any problem. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up a Frontier Wi-Fi router so you can get your internet working quickly. Try these. 1. Safely connect the Frontier Wi-Fi router to the power outlet using its adapter. 2. Attach the main internet cable to the Frontier Wi-Fi router port. 3. Turn on the Frontier Wi-Fi router and wait for the lights to stabilize. 4. Connect your phone or laptop to the Frontier Wi-Fi router network. 5. Open the official setup page for the Frontier Wi-Fi router and enter details. 6. Complete the setup of the Frontier Wi-Fi router and test internet.